You know, last week when I said to you, like, you know, go vote on my poll for my next car, for my next build series, and then you went and voted, and there was quite a few votes, and yeah, it kind of went to a draw. You know what happens when it goes to a draw? You leave me with the decision, and you know what happens when I'm left with a decision? I get really indecisive, but it's okay because I've chosen this car, 76912's Fast and Furious Too Fast Thingy Dodge Family Charger. Yes, this vehicle here with the dead roof is what we're converting with our next Alt MOC series. We're kicking things off today with the Ford Mustang Hoonicorn. Now this is a fantastic car. I love the Hoonicorn. It is a drift car, the Gymkhana, I believe. Is it the Gymkhana, or am I thinking of the Ford Focus, I mean? Regardless, this is going to be a very cool looking build, consisting of 226 pieces over 86 steps. So without further ado, let's strip this thing apart, put the pieces in the recording tubs, and get to the first build of 76912's Alt MOC. Enjoy. Okay, and here we go. Here's the full and complete build for the first conversion 76912's Dodge Charger Fast and Furious RT to Ford Hoonicorn Mustang. And this is bloody sick. Bro, it's a Hoonicorn. What more do I need to say? This is absolutely phenomenal. A little bit at the back here doesn't actually sit on perfectly. It's only held on by that one little grey square we saw just now on the build. But everything else looks so cool, sits so well, and is very solid. This is a fantastic looking car, and it looks so realistic. I think this is very cool, if not even cooler than the actual Speed Champions. But in fact, it is cooler. It's a lot cooler. Damn, Lego, you got to make a Hoonicorn at some point. This is like mad. Make a big technical Hoonicorn. Oh my god, please do that. No issues at all with this build. It took about an hour to do, as it's a bit bigger than the other sets I've been doing recently. I love this rear diffuser. Look at the freaking diffuser. That is so cool. A bit of an intricate part of the build that was. Sticking it on was relatively easy. I did get a little bit confused at first, but I looked at it and I was like, oh, that one little stud goes on there. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm really happy with this, and you should definitely build it. It's the highest rated build on Rebrickable for this set, and I can see why. There's a lot of upvotes for this. The video for this build has got over 54,000 views on YouTube at the current time of recording as well, so it's a very popular build. My suggestion to you is go buy one of these if you haven't got one already, and build this before you build the actual Dodge Charger. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and as always, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Would you build the set? Would you buy it? Let me know what your thoughts are on this. And with that said, I've been BDF18. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.